Shotters. Hey TikTok family. I had to record this video a couple times because I wanted to make sure that I delivered the information properly. So by the time you get done, finish watching this video, you'll be able to take this information that I'm giving you and use it. So go ahead on and save this video so that therefore you could go back to it for reference. So we have a question here that we're going to get answered. Don't worry, I got your back. Today, we're diving into the world of trucking and how to protect your personal assets while you build your empire on wheels. So, step 1, you need to file the article of organization with the Secretary of State, of course, the state that you live in. And in doing so, you will need to provide the company's name. This is something unique that you had already come up with prior to going to the site. You will also have to choose a business address and a registered agent. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Once you submit the filings of article of organization, it's going to take a few weeks before you receive your company's documents, unless you expedite it. Step 2, now that you have your company's documents, go to the IRS website. Now it's time to file your EIN. This is what we call the Employee Identification Number. This is also known as your business tax ID number. You have an option to do this online, or you could do it through mail. Step number 3, once you receive your EIN number, now it's time for you to apply for your operating authority. Okay, your operating authority is getting permission from the government to move freight, people, etc. across state lines and get paid for it. So you will need to go over to the fmcsa.dot.gov website. This is short for Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. You will go to this site. You will go over to this site, apply for your operating authority. In doing so, you will need to provide your business name, your address, contact information, EIN number, and what type of freight you will be moving, etc. The fee for this application is $300. Once you apply, you will receive a DOT number and MC number. Step 4, go to your FMCSA website to apply for your BOC 3. This is step number 5. Provide proof of insurance. The amount of coverage depends on what you're going to be hauling, such as cars, freight, people, the vehicle you're going to be operating, such as a semi, hot shot, setup, flatbed. But no worries, your insurance agent should be able to figure things out for you. Once you get your insurance agent will file a copy with the FMCSA. So this is something that you don't even have to worry about. Step number 6. Now you're just waiting for FMCSA to review and approve all your documents. And once they do, you'll receive a certification saying that you're legal to operate. I hope this video was helpful to you. If so, please like and comment. Remember to follow me for more content like this.